This simple maintenance prevents big damages. Remove and clean the rotation filter. It is pretty simple. Fix the filter and then take out the pulsator cap with a flat screwdriver. Take the star screwdriver and loosen the screws. Remove the cap holder to access the 8mm bolt. This machine has an 8mm bolt. Yours maybe has different bolts. Gently pull up the pulsator and then clean it with a brush. After cleaning it, reassemble the pulsator, and now it is shining. It will not even smell bad. Now the last thing we need to do is the pulsator's cap. Push the cap in until hear the clicking sound.